I haven't touched my vacuum in 60 days, and my house is spotless. Here's how the MONSGA MS1 Max changed everything. 6,000 PA of ultra-strong suction power, pet hair cleaning boost, hardwood tile and carpet. It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse that sweeps, mops, and vacuums. A 60-day self-emptying dustbin, smart Lidar navigation, and 5-floor mapping. 180 minutes of runtime. Control it from your phone, ask Alexa, or use the remote. And at under 55 decibels, it keeps things quiet. MONSGA MS1 Max.